What's the meaning of contour? Contour. Contour.
Contour. Contour. Contour refers to the outline or shape of an object or a region in a two-dimensional space. It is often used in art, geography, and science to depict the contours of different structures, such as mountains on a map or the curves of a human face in a painting. The contour line is used to represent the elevation or depth of a land surface in topographical maps. In fashion, contouring is a makeup technique that uses shadows and highlights to enhance facial features. Overall, contouring is a useful tool for visual representation and aesthetic enhancement in various fields.